Franklin, Tyrone, Tucker, 17 CF 41. We have David Alvarez on behalf of the state. So we have Mr. Tucker, who's appearing via Zoom.
Thank you, Your Honor. May I be excused?
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
So there's an update in this case is the third came back and denied the writ. So, Mr. Tucker, you're still representing yourself. Thank you. Good morning.
Good morning. Yes, sir. I'm not sure if you can hear me.
Yes, I can.
Okay.
Judge, if I may just jump in here on behalf of the state, we have a negotiated plea worked out in theory. We're still trying to work out some of the logistics. I did reach out to your judicial assistant, Ms. Corrali. She did provide some available dates. I know that Mr. Mansfield asked me to request the 26th at 4 o'clock. We intend on drafting a plea agreement and going back out to the jail to review that with Mr. Tucker in person and make sure it's signed before that date, so that when we come in on the 26th, everything is nice and smooth. Okay, the time there would be 4 p.m. a special set hearing after the regular next felony docket signing. Yes, sir. It was she gave November 26th at 4 p.m. Yes, sir. Okay, great. So right now, just for your planning purposes, we only have 13 cases on that day at 1:30. That's okay. The public defender's docket, so there may be a good 10 or 15 cases added on, but we should have plenty of time. So let me know if, based on whatever the particulars are, if you think it's going to take an extra 30 minutes. We could potentially try to do a 3:30 p.m. start time. Okay. Well, that's not a problem, Judge. Mr. Mansfield and I will show up at 3:30 and just be on standby. Yeah. Do you expect that we can get that done in 30, 45 minutes, an hour? Yes, sir, I do. Okay. Mr. Tucker, anything that you wanted to add, sir?
No, that was my understanding as well. I thought we were going to get it done a little bit sooner, but that's okay. It's fine.
Okay. Well, you see, maybe we could, but I have a trial week. I have a whole week set aside next week, Mr. Tucker. So next week, there's, with the exception of Thursday morning, where I have a few cases. I don't have anything scheduled, but I'm not going to know for sure until tomorrow by lunch. Tomorrow by lunch, I'm going to know whether I have 1, 2, or 3 cases set for trial next week. In the event there are no cases set for trial next week, then that opens up essentially 4 full days. So Mr. Alvarez could even reach back out, and if it works out for you and for his office, I mean, we could do it, on the 19th or the 20th or even the 22nd. Or even the 20th in the afternoon.
That sounds good to me, Your Honor. Obviously my schedule is wide open. So, it's up to Mr. Alvarez and Mr. Mansfield at that point.
Judge, I'll circle back with Ms. Corrali tomorrow afternoon after 12 just to see if there's any availability. Thank you. Thank you. Stay in contact with my office. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Your Honor.
We're going to put it on for the 26th for now. I want it to be put somewhere, and then we can adjust my if necessary.